Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset your Logitech G29 steering wheel. First, we will do a soft reset, also called a power cycle. Start by disconnecting the USB cable from your PC or console. Make sure the wheel is completely unplugged from the system. Next, disconnect the power adapter from the wall outlet. This step is important because the wheel needs to fully power down. Now, remove the connections for the pedals and the shifter from the wheel base. At this point, everything should be unplugged. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds. This allows any remaining power inside the device to clear out. After waiting, reconnect everything step by step. Plug the pedals and shifter back into the wheel base. Then connect the power adapter back into the wall outlet. Finally, reconnect the USB cable to your PC or console. Your wheel should now go through its normal calibration process. This means it will rotate fully and center itself. If you still have issues, you can perform a factory reset using the Logitech G Hub software. Open the software on your computer and find your G29 device. Look for the option that says Restore Default Settings. This will remove any custom button mappings or force feedback changes you have made. After doing this, test your wheel again to see if the problem is fixed. Thanks for watching.